Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the chat list view in Telegram on your Android device. If your chat previews feel too cramped, or if you want more message information at a glance, this setting will help you. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your Android phone. In the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Chat Settings. Now scroll down until you see an option called Chat List View. Choose the option labeled 3 lines. This will display the chat name, the latest message, and the time or date, all on one screen. Exit the settings and return to your chat list. You'll now notice that each conversation preview uses 3 lines instead of 2, giving you more context without opening the chat. That's it. You've successfully changed your chat list view to 3 lines in Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips. See you in the next video.